Okay, in this video I'm going to be tearing down this engine. The main problem with it is it's got very poor compression. Like, I can spin this thing over and it's got bad compression. And so I'm gonna rebuild this and probably make it look prettier. So let's begin this. Yep, just gonna film the engine there.
This thing's pretty cool, man. What horsepower is it?
5 horsepower.
Not bad.
It's always good to rebuild your engine on a piece of cardboard because when any oil comes out, the cardboard will catch it, soak it up.
Oh.
And I'm actually recording this with my new video software. Oh, just gonna come out of there. Okay. There's a spring in there.
Huh. Thing's bent all to shit.
I don't even know what that's from. That's not even supposed to be in this engine. Okay, I'm gonna open that door because I can't see anything. And screwed all the little doors. Okay, that's better. Get the video a little more light. Alright, take the carburetor and stuff off. Alright. Just gotta get the right switch. Take the air filter housing out here. Oh, there we go. Just gonna strip it for a second. There we go. That would expose the carburetor.
So that's what this is?
This is what this is. This is the tank.
Oh, okay. I'm not very handy with this kind of stuff.
16.
You know what I just realized?
Huh?
This is a how-to channel on like engines and shit, right?
Yeah.
I just asked you if this thing was a carburetor when it obviously holds something. So yeah.
That's hilarious.
I'm officially dumb. Alright.
Well, you're still learning.
Oh yeah, true. I'm gonna tell you guys something if you're watching this. This dude right here knows his shit.
Yeah.
He's good at this.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Should be a gasket right there that's missing. I don't know what's there. Stuck to it. I'll leave it.
Looks like it's almost rusted on it or something.
No, not really. Exhaust port looks pretty good. It's not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna pull the head off. Okay. See the camera? Alright, I'm gonna pull the head off and I'll get right back to you. Okay, I got most of the bolts out. I'm just gonna pull out these last little 3 and then we are going to, just gonna get a little light, pull off the head. I haven't pulled this head off yet. Which, by the way, that has garbage. You can see it's broken there. Well, yeah, it's still usable, but it's still, I like this engine to be nice and dressed up and clean and repainted. Gotta make a look pottery. Okay. First glance at the head, it doesn't look too bad. Somebody must have been in this before because it's clean. It's a head gasket, which appears to be stuck to it. Oh, there it goes. It looks very usable. Okay. Can you hold that right quick?
Yep.
Thanks.
Probably.
Make it right. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. They said I'm not going to bother cleaning, I'm going to replace that because it's broken right through here.
I wonder how that fucking thing would get broken.
I don't know.
It looks like solid metal.
pull out the flywheel. Oh damn, I don't know how I'm gonna get to that. I don't know if I got a deep socket like that. I doubt this is gonna work, but it's worth a try. Oh shoot. No. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video again and I'll get back to you when I get that bolt out. Okay. Decided not to pull the flywheel off because I don't have a deep enough socket to fit over that. And I think somebody must have put it on with an impact gun because it's tight as shit, so I'm just not gonna pull the crankshaft out. So I'll pull everything else out though. Okay, so let's pull out the sump. We're gonna pull out all these, undo all these little bolts. And you should probably drain the oil before you do this because it's going to make a big mess if you don't. I'm just going to get my friend to hold the camera as I undo that. These are all 3/8 bolts. This won't take that long, I can just speed this all up. Now I'm going to tip the engine this way so that all the oil drains to the back of the engine so it doesn't leak out when I sort of pull this off. Loosen this in a crisscross pattern, same with the head, or you're gonna. Oh, that's tight. Warp this.
That's brutal.
Stuck in there. There we go. Oh, shoot. Oh, that makes me look unprofessional. That's great. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna just loosen off that. Holy shit. I am such a train wreck. Oh my god.
It's just a tight bolt.
You
got this
now
shit.
The socket's slipping on it. That's great.
Dude, you got this shit, okay?
Got this, yeah.
Focus all your fucking mental shit into that shit.
It's not like... Yeah, this should work. Focus. Got it.
There you go, man. Nice.
Ooh. Shit, that wasn't very tight. It wasn't very tight either.
Hey, you're running out of room on your SD card, man.
Whoa, shit. Okay, 1 second, just pause the video. Okay. That's better. Alright. Do this as fast as I can and upload that. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 to this because I don't know if I'm gonna have enough room on my SD. Is that still blinking?
Yeah.
Great. I'm gonna have to do a part 2.
You still got like a few minutes, probably.
Okay. Yeah, I'll probably stop this at 10 minutes anyway. That's the standard time for YouTube anyway.
Alright, I'll let you know when it's at 10.
Alright. So
This recording software is pretty cool.
It is.
It tells you like everything about it.
It's better than my old software.
You mean the one that comes with this shit?
Yeah.
Oh.
Also, when you're tapping on these things, when you're pulling this cover off, don't hit the hammer on these things because that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna break it. Briggs Stratton actually have like a little, install like a little thing right there where you can actually just kind of tap that with your hammer. Take a screwdriver, just kind of twist it. This is what I was talking about with the oil.
You got about 30 seconds.
Okay.
That's good. I'll pause it for a sec.
Okay. Oh, it looks pretty clean in there.
Holy shit.
The bearing looks alright. It spins alright. So A little bit of play, but I think it's still usable. Ooh, that's a lot of oil in there. I'll let it run out anyway. Cardboard will catch it. That's just.
So is that thing usually like filled with oil or something?
It's usually filled up to about there, and there's like this little dipper back here. As this engine's running, it dips down into the oil and slings it all over the place.
Okay.
So, oh, shoot, I might have get that bearing puller or something like that. The bearing stuck in there, and I can't get the camshaft out. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. Well, I'll have to leave the camshaft in and just take the piston out as it is. Because I can't pull the flywheel off, I don't have a bearing puller. So those are 7/16. Okay, I'm just going to flip this whole engine right upside down. There. Just going to rotate this till it's at T's bottom dead center. Take a hammer and a screwdriver. Bend those little tabs down. So. This one. There's the other. Your 7/16 socket. Rotates really smoothly. Shoot, the dipper's in the way. I might have to get an extension on that. Okay, I'm gonna pull the bolts out and then we'll come back to you. Pause it.